Sometimes in life, you get just a little tired and just a little jaded. That all you want to do after a long day of work and, well, life, is to head home as a way of seeking refuge and finding your center again. It's easy to find peace and quiet when you are blessed with a home that has a vast land area of 8,800 square feet. And it even comes with a pool, so you can relax and wash away the burdens of the day. The friends will be flying in from nearby to celebrate life. My good friend Aidan will be taking the guest suite downstairs facing the pool. That's always his favorite room. My friend Daryl will be taking one of the rooms upstairs, and I'll still have another to spare. With the chicken in the oven and the food almost set to go, it's time to sit a little and enjoy a cup of coffee. Everyone should be here in a jiffy. It'll probably be a great idea to freshen up to welcome them. At the end of the day, no matter how much you have in life or how challenging things get, all that really matters is to be able to come home to a place that lets you rest while you spend time with the people that matter most.